molarity is given, we have to find out molality. So capital M is given and you have to find out small m. Clear? So molality is given capital M. What it means? If M is the molarity, it means that m mole of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Molarity. If molarity is given m, so what is the unit of molarity? Moles per liter. And if it is given m, so we can say that m moles of solute present in 1 liter from the definition. Yes or no? Molality is equal to m. It means that m moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Therefore, moles of solute is equal to capital M, volume of solution equal to 1 liter. It means 1000 ml. And you have to assume molar mass of solute is equal to m1 and density of solution, you have to assume this. Now, so volume of solution is 1 liter, that is 1000 ml. Now you have to calculate molality. So for molality, what is required? For molality, mass of solvent is required. It means that you have to find the mass of solution and then you have to subtract the mass of solute. Clear? So from here you can calculate W of solution, which will be equal to, you know that density equal to mass by volume. So mass equal to density into volume, which is equal to D. So D must be in gram per ml. So mind it, unit of density must be in gram per ml. Clear? So D into V, the density into 1000 gram. This is the weight of solution. Now, what is the weight of solute? What is the weight of solute? So, weight of solute is moles of solute into molar mass of solute. Why? Moles is equal to weight upon molar mass. So weight equal to moles into molar mass. Yes or no? So moles of solute is capital M and molar mass is M1. Now weight of solvent, 1000 into D minus M1, and molality will be moles of solute into 1000 divided by weight of solvent in gram, which is equal to N of solute is capital M from here, and into 1000 divided by weight of solvent, how much? 1000 D minus M1. So you have to remember this. This is the derivation for a small n and capital M. So